W dzisiejszym odcinku przećwiczysz mówienie po angielsku metodą listen and repeat. Zasada jest bardzo prosta. Usłyszysz zdanie w języku angielskim. Twoim zadaniem jest powtórzyć je na głos. Najpierw usłyszysz zdanie w naturalnym tempie, a potem wolniej i wyraźniej. Następnie pojawi się chwila przerwy. To czas dla ciebie, żeby powtórzyć zdanie spokojnie, bez pośpiechu. Na ekranie zobaczysz również zapis, jak dane zdanie się czyta oraz jego znaczenie po polsku. Wszystkie zdania tworzą jedną spójną historię, dzięki czemu łatwiej zapamiętasz całe zwroty, a nie tylko pojedyncze słowa. Nie analizuj za dużo. Słuchaj, powtarzaj i pozwól językowi wejść do głowy naturalnie. Dotrwaj do końca i sprawdź, ile jesteś w stanie zapamiętać. Jestem ciekawy waszych postępów. Daj znać w komentarzu, jak ci poszło. Zaczynamy.
The bus moves slowly through the morning traffic. The bus moves slowly through the morning traffic. I look outside and watch the busy streets. I look outside and watch the busy streets. Cars are everywhere, and the traffic is heavy. Cars are everywhere, and the traffic is heavy. I check the time and feel a bit worried. I check the time and feel a bit worried. We stop at a red light and wait. We stop at a red light and wait. The driver looks tired but focused. The driver looks tired but focused. I take a deep breath and try to relax. I take a deep breath and try to relax. Someone next to me is talking on the phone. Someone next to me is talking on the phone. I can hear parts of the conversation. I can hear parts of the conversation. The bus starts moving again after a moment. The bus starts moving again after a moment. I look at the map on my phone. I look at the map on my phone. It shows a traffic jam ahead. It shows a traffic jam ahead. I sigh quietly and look outside again. I sigh quietly and look outside again. The cars are barely moving now. The cars are barely moving now. We are stuck in traffic and time is passing. We are stuck in traffic and time is passing. I check the time again and feel stressed. I check the time again and feel stressed. A passenger asks the driver a question. A passenger asks the driver a question. Excuse me, how long will we wait here? Excuse me, how long will we wait here? The driver answers calmly and looks ahead. The driver answers calmly and looks ahead. I think maybe 10 or 15 minutes. I think maybe 10 or 15 minutes. The passenger nods and sits back down. The passenger nods and sits back down. I listen to the conversation and stay quiet. I listen to the conversation and stay quiet. Outside, a car suddenly changes lanes. Outside, a car suddenly changes lanes. The traffic moves a little faster now. The traffic moves a little faster now. We slowly leave the traffic jam behind. We slowly leave the traffic jam behind. I feel a bit more relaxed than before. I feel a bit more relaxed than before. The bus stops, and more people get on. The bus stops, and more people get on. A man sits next to me and smiles. A man sits next to me and smiles. Is this seat free, or are you waiting for someone? Is this seat free, or are you waiting for someone? I shake my head and answer politely. I shake my head and answer politely. No, it is free, you can sit here. No, it is free, you can sit here. He thanks me and sits comfortably. He thanks me and sits comfortably. For a moment, we sit in silence. For a moment, we sit in silence. Then he starts a short conversation. Then he starts a short conversation. Do you go to work or to school? Do you go to work or to school? I answer and look outside at the same time. I answer and look outside at the same time. I am going to work. I start at 8. I am going to work. I start at 8. He nods and smiles again. He nods and smiles again. Me too, I work in an office nearby. Me too, I work in an office nearby. The bus keeps moving through the city. The bus keeps moving through the city. More people get off at the next stop. More people get off at the next stop. I check the time and feel more calm. I check the time and feel more calm. We are getting closer to my stop now. We are getting closer to my stop now. I press the stop button and wait. I press the stop button and wait. The bus slows down and stops. The bus slows down and stops. I stand up and take my bag. I stand up and take my bag. Have a nice day, the man says. Have a nice day, the man says. I smile and answer before leaving. I smile and answer before leaving. Thanks, you too, have a good day. Thanks, you too, have a good day. I get off the bus and step onto the street. I get off the bus and step onto the street. The air feels fresh and I look ahead. The air feels fresh and I look ahead. My workplace is just a few minutes away. My workplace is just a few minutes away. I start walking and feel ready to begin the day. I start walking and feel ready to begin the day.
Kliknij jeden z polecanych filmów, aby kontynuować naukę. Dziękuję za obejrzenie całego materiału i wspólnie spędzony czas. Jeśli chcesz być na bieżąco z nowymi odcinkami i dodatkowymi materiałami, subskrybuj kanał. Warto również dołączyć do moich mediów społecznościowych. Linki znajdują się w opisie filmu. Do zobaczenia w kolejnym odcinku.